Good morning, Rat Rod Bikes. It's a bebopping Tuesday here in the North Country on station SWEN. Anyway, I've been doing a bunch of stuff this morning. It's really not like me. I usually hone in on one thing and just hammer away until it's done. But yesterday we saw the plexiglass window, which will go in the tank area. And you remember previously, I had that pink foam tank that I had created that was lodged in here, and it was double wide and a little bit too thick. And anyway, I have a bunch of this stuff. You have to buy it in 4x8 sheets. So what I'm going to do is use it down in the lower area there, I believe. So anyway, that's my thought. Now, if any of you have an idea of something I can put over the surface, Falstaff mentioned maybe Bondo or something, because the surface is not smooth. It's rough. And it showed up when I did my tank half here, It's got a little ripply look to it. Wow, it is reflective though. Look at the guy with the phone. All right. Anyway, I'm in my garage today because it's cold outside, baby, and I've got a lot of space in here. I can spread out. I got my table here, and I did follow Kingfish's advice. I think I'm going to do what he did last year, and I have on order a can of yellow that will tint this. I'm not going to try the metal cast. The metal cast needs a shiny metallic surface under it to really shine. So it's the Krylon stained glass spray paint in a yellow color. And that will also go on the headlight. So that will be a matching color to the window. This morning I also did some work on the headlight. I'd previously started a hole back here thinking I was going to mount a switch for maybe a LED kind of light of some sort. But I changed gears. Today I'm going to get a puck light that you would have up under a cabinet, and it's going to be just the right size to sit in there, and it's motion sensitive. So when the bike's moving, it should be on, which is fine. Daytime running lights are huge now for bike stuff. So anyway, a little bit about how I got this glass back cut out of the headlight, which is originally 12-volt tractor light. I used the Dremel tool with cutting, kind of a hard sandpaper cutting blade. It's a rock cutter. Traced a line around the light, and then grabbed a hold of the glass, the rat's gas glass, with the pliers, and pulled them off. And it turned out great. And you kind of got a uniform line there. Good enough for rats anyway. And anyway, we'll continue with that once I get the light later. There's the roll of chrome vinyl wrap standing at the ready in case I end up using that again. But anyway, this is where I used to sign off from before I had the back 40 built. Just one little quick note. My dad was a woodworker, and the year that he passed away in 2012, I had my buddy Pete paint a few of my dad's old saw blades, pinstripe. And I'm kind of thinking that pinstripe might be kind of cool on the old rat's gas as well. So with that, this is Odd Job signing off.